Alright, so on this video I'll be showing you how you can get a free eSIM, and you can install this eSIM on your iPhone or any phone that has an eSIM enabled. Alright, so make sure you watch this video to the end so you can make use of all the steps I use in installing yours. Alright, if you're joining my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account, like this video, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you won't mix out. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I will go to my phone setting, my iPhone setting, to check if this iPhone is an eSIM enabled. So I will click here. Alright, so once you open your setting, it's going to come like this. Then click on the cellular. Once you get to the cellular, I want you to scroll down. Can you see this place that said add eSIM? Once this means that eSIM is enabled on your phone. So if I click on this eSIM now, check what is going to happen. Let's wait a little bit. It's going to bring some options out. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so once you click on the add eSIM, it's going to take you to this place. Alright, then you know that this phone is eSIM enabled. You can see set cellular data. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. Alright, so you see now. But on this tutorial we are going to use the QR code. So let's go to how we can get it now. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do here, I will go to my Apple Store and download this application. I'm going to download this application, Gig Sky. So I'll type Gig. Alright, so you can see this number one, Gig Sky eSIM and unlimited data. Click on it and download it. Because I have it downloaded now, we just click on open. But before that, make sure you have a VPN. It's very necessary, because this one is like you are installing an eSIM on your phone. So I have a peer VPN. If you don't have a VPN, you need one, make sure you contact me on WhatsApp, then I will give it to you, but not for free. Alright, so let me proceed. I'll click on my VPN, then I'll click on the location, then I'll click on it. I'll come here, I'll click on here. Alright, so now I can go open this Gig Sky. Alright, so now I think let me enter the password. Alright, so I'm signing now. You can see I'm signing. I'm here, I'm inside the app. Right, I'm inside the app. So now I'm going to look for an eSIM that will take. Now you can see unlimited plans, they have blah blah. So let me look for the one that favors me. So I'll go back here. Okay, so I think I found a free one. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, because I've selected this before, so now what I'm going to do, I'll click on get QR code. Right, I'll click on get QR code. Install this eSIM in a local cover by the plan, will activate plan immediately. To continue only if you want to proceed with installing your eSIM and activating. Cancel. So I'll click on here. You get, then this QR code, that's the one I'm going to use, right? So they want me to scan this. Tap sending to receive an email containing details instruction for installing eSIM if don't arrive in your box. So I'll click on email. An email has been sent, but before that I will just screenshot this because I'm not with my other phone. Assuming I'm using a different phone for this tutorial, we can just go through all this and it will be a peaceful one. You can just scan it with the phone you are using, but since I'm not using the two phone, I will just go to my email. I'll go to my email. Let me see. So I'll click here and I'll click on this eSIM. You can see it. So they still want me to like scan it. So what I'm going to do for a better one here is, so let me go to where my eSIM is. Alright, so they want me to scan it. You can see they want me to scan it, but the only way I'm going to scan it now, I will make use of my computer to run the scanning. So I will send this picture on my other WhatsApp that is on my system for a proper way of scanning. I'm going to upload an image here. So I'll upload the image here. So the image is going to come here. Then I'll go back to that scan. Then I will just scan it. Now activate eSIM. So you can see what they are saying. They want me to activate is ready. So they want me to activate an eSIM. So I will just click here and activate the eSIM. So you can see that I'm clicking on activation. Do you see the method I use? So what I did was, because I'm with one phone and I have a computer, so I save the QR code, send it to myself on my computer, then open it, then scan it with my computer. You see how easy it is. So it's not everything you'll be waiting for people to teach you or show you. Sometimes you just have to be smart enough to do some kind of stuff all by yourself. All right, make sure you like this video. Please make sure you like this video. Subscribe. So connecting to network now. It's connecting to network now. So let's keep waiting for it. Let's keep waiting for it until it's done activating. All right, you need to your phone needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. All right, not your mobile data. Pardon me for using my normal mobile data to run this tutorial. I just did that because it's a normal tutorial. So I will click on done, because they say activating eSIM. You can continue using your iPhone while your eSIM is activating. So I'll just click on done. All right, so they are going to ask me two options. You can see, so my normal SIM card is on the label. You can see primary SIM, while label for your Sky business SIM. So I will just click on OK. I accept, continue. So they are going allow cellular data switching. So they want to ask if I will be allowing cellular data switching. For me, I'll just click on my primary because I always use my primary as my source of data. So I'll click on done. So now if you can check my SIM here, the SIM 1, you can see it. Then the SIM 2, you can see activating. So once it activates, I'm going to like let you guys know. And this is all for the tutorial. It's a free SIM. Please encourage by subscribing and sharing. Encouraging. All right, thanks for watching.
So I will show you a new method. So if the first one didn't work, let's go on this one. So make sure you download this app you're saying, download this app, and make sure you have VPN. So go here, let's do it. This is the name of the app. Just search it this way. All right, so the first one still loading. All right, so you can see this one that I have on my phone now. So this is it. So if the first method didn't work, make sure you try this method out. So select a plan from here, click on join dent now, All right, click on join, then use your Apple or you use your email, whichever one you use, it's all cool. Just sign up, that's the main goal. All right, so we are going to wait. Okay, so create an account. So let's check our browser. You can see what I am trying to do here. You see Gmail, you see here. So we are going to generate. So this one is just like Gmail Gmail Nator. So it's like where you will see an email that you can make use of. So let's just paste this here. So for us to be able to receive a code, email already in use. So I think they say email is already in use. So let's go back there and see. Why am I getting that? Let's copy this one again. Let's go back there. Okay, this one is available, so I'm going to enter this name. I will enter this. Let me enter a random name. So I'll go with the random name. Tech. All right, so let me enter a password. So the same password at the first, then make sure you enter the same password as confirm password, right? Then after that, click on create. Then you're going to verify your email. So let's check our email for verification. So you're going to refresh because we are still on that page. So you click on reload. The email should be here. Okay, so email from Dance, you see. So instead of you creating bunch of email at times, you can use this to verify anything you want to verify, and you are going to lose assets with it. Your email has been verified. So if you are doing a one-time verification, or you don't want to make use of your personal email, you can use this where you don't need to recover any stuff. All right, so congratulations, good. So we are in this now. So you can see a lot of plans are here. Accept. So we have a lot of plans here, right? Select from the one that you think you can afford. So set up, installing then eSIM, sign off fail. So I will go again, installing then eSIM. Why is it running like this? Cool. So this one is just like an automatic installation, whereby once you click on it, it will redirect you to your phone, and boom, it's going to start installing. It's going to start adding it. See, so just follow all this method, and just like the first one, but this one is very, very easy. All right, so it might require payment on this one. That's why I make the first video before this. So, and you can set this eSIM for your iMessage and FaceTime. Whenever you call anybody or text anybody, the message will be coming from this one. So you're ready. So now we have the eSIM installed on our phone now. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe. All right, subscribe to my YouTube account, YouTube channel, so that anytime I drop video like this, you won't miss. Thanks.